Today we're going to watch what happens when an ordinary iron nail is placed in nitric acid. At the very moment the nail touches the acid, the reaction begins. Tiny changes appear on the surface, but this is only the beginning of a much longer process. As time passes, the acid continues reacting with the iron, slowly changing the shape of the nail. At first, the difference is hard to notice. But minute after minute, more and more of the metal disappears. Since the complete reaction takes a long time, we're speeding up the video so you can watch the entire process from beginning to end. Now, pay close attention to the nail. It keeps getting thinner as the reaction continues. Every second, more iron is removed from the nail and enters the solution. What started as a strong, solid piece of metal is slowly disappearing before your eyes. This is the power of chemistry. A simple chemical reaction can completely transform a material that seems solid and permanent. Keep watching until the very end, because the result is incredible. The nail becomes thinner, thinner, and thinner, until finally, it completely disappears. Nothing is left. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more exciting experiments.